Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on the channel. So today we are going to be wrapping the Corolla, which I've already done a good bit of. I've done the trunk and even put the badges on and everything. The roof, which I still need to cut this, but that'll be fine. Hood, and most of this side except for the top quarter panel and rocker panel. And the reason for that is because, as you can tell, this video is in black and white. I will be revealing the color of the wrap at the end of the video, but I didn't want to be too annoying and show me wrapping the entire car in black and white. That can be a little bit irritating. So I'll just show the one side, and then we'll do the reveal. But anyways, without any further delay, let's get into it. again, thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you guys like the new wrap. The Corolla has joined Blue Crew. Hope you guys are excited about that. I know I am. If you enjoyed the video, go ahead, leave a like, comment below, subscribe to the channel if you are new. In the next video, I'll be sharing with you guys my experience wrapping the car. I'll be showing you guys some of the gaffes here and there, things that I could have done better, things that I feel like I did well, and so on and so forth. Also, side note, yes, I know I could have probably hired some professional help to do that cinematic. It would have turned out a lot better. But at the same time, this channel has always been about DIY, so I figured I'd take my shot at some cinematography stuff. It wasn't bad, it wasn't great, it's kind of average, so I'll take it. Anyways, that's gonna be it for the video, and I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.